You want to generate a linked or landing page with Canva totally for free. So you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to be showing you how to do this process really fast. So the first tool you wanted to do is that inside Canva you wanted to make the conversion template. So you wanted to start by searching landing page into the design like this. Here's my landing page element. So when I select the search for, basically we can just generate here from landing page inside the creation of my actual design. So usually we would have this template that we can use totally for free. I wanted to click directly inside there, and just like that it will be showing me the landing page and website. Now make sure that directly into the left section that says template, you wanted to use the one that is totally for free. A landing page should be simple, easier to recognize, and of course it has to be not that complex. It has to be really simple, and you don't want to look for the one that is, in my case for example, this actually works for me. So for example, this is an actual landing page that might be feeling a little bit easier to use. If you don't, you can always go for the element that says templates, and you can see that we have more like this. For example, then I select this kind of website. Well, when you select your actual landing page, basically here what we just need to do is just start editing the tools directly inside here. For example, let's say that I have my own image here. So what I want to do is just to drag and drop where I wanted to make the replacement of my website and put it directly inside here. Now I want to give it a little bit of design, so you're gonna just put this like this. There we go. I'll let it make this smaller. There we go. And if I want to, I can change the actual image. If you wanted to make some more changes, or you don't want changes at all, what you can do is to delete the previous image and put on your own image like this. Now in my case here, what I'm going to be doing here is just to take the element that says effects. Let's go for hello, and here we're going to change the text color like this really fast. There we go. Now something else that I wanted to be doing here is just to change the information of what I'm actually currently having. And the last thing to do is to add, in my case, is you have already some buttons. Usually what I do is just to go for the three dots and go for the element that says linked. If you don't see the linked element, what you can do is just to make the redirection out of it. Let's say for example that I want to go for add a new section. So directly here into add a new section, what you wanted to do is to make sure that this one appears as an actual button. So if it doesn't appear, what you can do is to generate your own. So let's say that I type, let's say for example just one image, let's say button like this. I go for see all the graphics, I select one graphic, I go for the three dots, and what I want to do is to go for the element that says linked. Directly here through link, I choose to where I would like to change that. I go for done, and we're good to go. Now I'm going to resize this. Once I finish with this element, I want to leave this way. Now most landing pages traffic comes from social media, which means mobile. So if you wanted to make this quick conversion, basically Canva automatically stacks your columns for mobile. So to check that, you want to go for publish your website into the upper right corner. Go for settings and make sure that you have the social link preview activated, as well as the search engine visibility and the navigation menu. Just like that, I'm going to go for continue to published and hit for published. When you finish with this element, you're now going to be able to preview your own website. So if you hit for view your website, this should be showing you the website that we generated so far. And what you can do is to make sure that it's going to be now optimized for an actual mobile view. So when you finish with this element, you can now make sure that it's going to be automatically saved it. So if you're ready to launch, just hit for published and you have an actual free domain. You get an actual custom subdirectory like your name.my Canva site, something like that. So these are fully indexable by Google, so if you still show into the actual search results, you're actually good to go. So This is how you can actually get an actual free traffic without running some actual ads. So if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. You now have a live professional landing page with your overhead costs. So if you want to see how to connect the custom.com website, you can let us know in the comments below as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can all see you well